This is a small work light that has a 4-stage solar panel that you can fold out and get charging, you know, off grid if you need to. Now it does come with also a USB-C cable. I've already used this thing, that's why it's out of the box here. And this is how I got it in. You know, I did rip the box up, but it comes with this USB-C cable here. So first off, this thing feels very premium, like it feels solid, does not feel cheap at all. So it's got a large size battery and it's got all of these different types of LED panels here. I will go through those. You've got a little standard hook right here. So this can actually set it like this, and that way it shines if I'm working on something or I'm in a camping environment or something like that. You can pull it up like this, and this is an actual hook to hook it onto something. Now I could hook it here, and that's where I would use this. Oh, by the way, there's a 1/4-20 mount on the bottom. You open these panels up like this. Check this out. This is a very cool feature. This will actually get solar panel charging. I did take it outside, use it in the sun. Now it's wintertime here, so it's not going to get a lot of power, but it got enough power where I could see that it was charging. So good feature on that you could actually use that as a solar panel. If your power's out, let this thing charge all day and you'll be good to go. Or while you're out doing things at the campsite, this is charging all day. So you got a fully charged light for the nighttime. So looking over the actual input here, you've got an on and off button right here. You've got an input here and an output here. So this thing does have USB charging out, and this is the input, USB-C input. The lights here are anything from a 25% to a 100%. You can see I'm at 100%, and check out how bright this thing is. So they claim that it's over 100,000 lumens. Now, that's always to be debated. Without a luminometer, I can't really tell you that, so I'm just going to say that's what they say on their website. You've got different options here. Do like a fast match. I love this right here. This is a great camping option. It has this warm light, and then you got kind of a mix light. So that's the mix one. You can see it's got the warm and cool light in there. And that's the 3 models right there. That's where they get the multifunctional light. Let me go ahead, show you guys some nighttime footage of using this thing and just kind of give you a good idea on how well it lights up my backyard. Okay, so it's nighttime now, and you can see, let's light this thing up and see how bright this is. Look at how this thing lights up the entire backyard back here. Then you got Freya right there. She can come and look. She likes the light. There's that one. So I can turn it on more of a warm light. So this is like a warm light mode, which would be great for camping or something like that. And then you have the mix mode, right like that. Everybody, I think this is a great light for anyone that's just wanting to have a good camping style light, or like a light for just kind of like emergencies where you don't have to, if you need to, you can charge it up using solar panels or a USB-C charger or something like that. Then you also have a backup power bank out of this thing. So I think this is a great option for anyone that needs kind of a light to do it all. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on, you know, the solar power kind of camping / everything light. See you on the next video.